video, I'm going to do a review of Forest Essentials Under Eye Serum called Banana Red Flower and Potato Starch. I got it recently and now I've been using it for around 15 days almost. So I'm going to do a review of it and how does the bottle look like, what is the product inside, and whether do I like using it or not. So let's get started with a review of Forest Essentials. For those of you who are new to this brand, Forest Essentials is an organic Ayurveda skincare brand, and they produce all their products from the most natural ingredients that are grown in their organic farms, and everything is produced and done using the philosophy of Ayurveda. All the ingredients are derived from the nature's goodness, the most natural products. They go into the making of the product. So what you're putting on your skin is basically what you can eat is going in your skin, which is kind of a very good thing that this brand is doing. So let me share with you this bottle. This is a 20 ml bottle, and this 20 ml bottle, I think though it looks teeny tiny, but it has a lot of the product inside. You just have to use a teeny tiny drop, one drop. You can use as good enough of one droplet for both the eyes. And this is called Banana Red Flower and Potato Starch Under Eye Serum by Forest Essential. It comes in this 20 ml glass bottle and it is the standard packaging, and then there is a dropper that is used to dispense the drop for the under eye serum. You can use it both day and night before using your moisturizer. And it has this green sticker that tells you about this product, the name of the product, and behind is the pricing. It is priced on the website right now as of in year 2020. It is priced at 2,375, which is a steep price for this tiny bottle, but the product it contains, I think it can last you for a very long time, so worry not. And it just gives you some instructions on how to use this product after you wash your face. And let's see what is this is a decent glass bottle. I like the packaging, the way it feels in your hand, and it's overall a very good quality since it's a luxury brand. So definitely they have to provide for the price they're taking from you, the quality in a bottle. So it comes with this dispensing pump. On the dispenser top has this rubber that you can easily press to take off the drop, and it looks something like this. It is white color. It is a very starchy consistency, as you can see, very starchy consistency, white, because it contains the potato starch. So I can see it as I am pouring it down. You can see sometimes when you are cutting the potatoes, you can see the starch coming out of it. So it has got this kind of consistency, and it contains 3 major ingredients. You just need 1 drop, like this. Oh yeah. So you can just use 1 drop for both the eyes. Just take it like on your finger and just rub it around, and it's very easy to absorb underneath your eye area. It just gets like melted into your skin very pretty soon, and you can feel the kind of firmness after it goes in. I think the firmness could be due to the potato starch, that it instantly firms up your skin after you use it. And I've been using it for 15 days, and I do feel that the dark circles under the eye, they have faded a bit, though it's too early to say much. But the instant differences that I noticed are like the area under your eye, it brightens up, and also it kind of not only brightens up, but you can feel that stretching of the skin, not in a very dry way, in a flexible way. That means it's firming up your under eye area as well. So I think I'm going to use it. If I finish with this bottle, I can go for another one and use this product on a long-term basis, because I really liked it. And I do notice a difference in the fine lines, brightening of the skin is there, and firming of the skin is there. after using this product. So let's talk about the ingredients that have gone into the making of this product. They claim there are three major ingredients, though their website also mentions it contains the wheat protein, but they do not explain. So they just say there are three major ingredients in it. As the name goes, it contains the red banana flour. Now, red banana flour is known for its antioxidant properties. So what it does is it helps to lighten up the skin area, the skin under your eyes can lighten up with this ingredient, and it is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from the free radicals, you know, those environmental pollutants that are present in our toxic air nowadays. So it helps to prevent your skin getting affected by those free radicals as well. And so I'll just keep this bottle on the side. Now you guys have an idea about how this looks like. It's a tiny bottle, just a 20 ml bottle, and it is a lot of product but inside it. So it also helps to like save your skin from the air pollutants, environmental pollutants. It also contains vitamin C, potassium, and I think it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. All these ingredients also help to lighten up the skin under your eye area. The second ingredient is, as the name goes, potato starch. As we have seen that how it looks like a starchy consistency and it's all white color. And potato starch is, again, it's an antioxidant, so it is helping to like prevent your skin from getting affected by the free radicals. At the same time, it is an anti-inflammatory properties as well. So what it does is it helps to kind of brighten up the area under your eyes, and also helping with the fine lines under your eyes. The third ingredient that goes into its making it, this is called it has a banana flour, red banana flour, potato starch, and coffee bean extract. Yes, coffee bean extract is sorry, I think coffee bean extract is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, not the potato starch. Potato starch is just to help brighten up the area under your eyes and reduce the fine lines underneath, because it kind of, you know, makes your skin, kind of firms up your skin after you apply it. Whereas the coffee bean extract, it has the anti-inflammatory properties as well as antioxidant properties that are mentioned under potato starch. So all those that belongs to this category of coffee bean extract. Coffee bean extract, it helps reduce the puffiness under your eyes, and it also helps to brighten up the area under your eyes. So I would like to share with you that when I used this product, how did I feel? I felt a very distinct scent of coffee bean in that, and also potato, banana, mixture of banana and potato. But the most distinct is you can feel literally that you are smelling coffee when you're applying it under your eyes. So that's a wonderful thing, like when you can sense all the skincare products that are made by Forest Essentials, which is an organic Ayurveda skincare range. They are so much full of nature's goodness, and you can literally smell as if you are standing in your kitchen when you're using these products. So definitely I think they are very, very pure products, and they are pretty effective. Most of the products are quite effective, and this under eye serum so far I am enjoying it. I'm liking the results it is giving me, and I will continue using it. I combine it with their under eye intensive cream. I can do the review of that. If you want me to do the review, do let me know in the comments below, that then I will make a video on that review also. So keep watching my channel. My channel is still growing. I need more subscribers, guys. So if you like this video and you want to learn more about holistic lifestyle product reviews and the products that are full of nature's goodness and are good for your skin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll get back to you soon. Till then, you guys stay blessed.